I have here the default demo content, and I have installed this plugin, custom fonts. I will go to dashboard, and I'm doing this for the first time. Let's see how it will go. Okay, I have your Caleco font here, name Caleco, serif we will add as fallback font, and font upload, select file. It is on desktop for me, select, and that is a bold version, bold. Add a new font, let's see, here it is. Okay, and now let's go. I think that we now have import our new font, and let's go to the customize. Additional CSS, and let's try this code. This code should change the header menu, but we will set here Caleco. Here it is. So I hope this is how it should look like. And that is all.